So I have a bit of a confession to make. You may not know this about me, and I know I haven't made any content about it on this channel, but I am a major bag lover. In fact, I think the reason I haven't showcased anything relating to bags is I'm too busy perfecting it and never feel like I've gotten that 100%. And so because of that, I haven't really shown anyone, you know, the process that I'm under. And I've been really close in some ways. And these bags, which were sent to me by Nutsac, may be the ideal bag for my everyday. I don't know yet. So this is just an unboxing of not only a couple of really awesome packages from Nutsac, but also from Alpaca Gear that I ordered. And I figure since we're here, I may as well also show you the bags that I've been using for the last couple of months every day. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, before we unbox this, let me show you what I've been using over the last couple of months. And we'll start with this. I'm going to move these out of the way for the time being. This is what really got it started. I wanted a small enough bag that I could carry that could go inside a larger bag. So, but also I had this unreasonable request. I wanted to be able to carry a water bottle, not just any water bottle. I wanted to be able to carry at least something the size of my Grail water bottle. Look at the size of this thing. And believe it or not, this bag will actually do it. This is the Dad's Fanny, okay, from Dad's Fanny. This is the only bag they make, I believe. And what happens is you open up the bottom here, and it actually opens up to a very large pouch that straps on both sides to the top. So you can actually put a bottle inside as big as this Grail water bottle, which is crazy. Yeah, it actually fits. And so it allowed me to carry water. And that was something that has really helped me. Just drinking a lot of water has kept me productive, awake, especially as I've kind of quit caffeine over the last 2 months. This was really important to me. So I wanted to have something that had a water bottle slot. So this was the first one. Now, I'm not unhappy with it. It's actually worked out pretty good, except as you can see, the zipper, which is supposed to be waterproof, started to fray on me. And I think it's because it's right along that line versus kind of in the middle. And it's not bad. In fact, there's nothing in here from stuff that I'm actually using right now, because after this bag, then I found this one. So I watched a video by Gideon's Tactical, and if you've never seen his channel, great content over there. And I saw this. And this is made by Grail itself in collaboration with another maker in the United States, and this is actually what I've been carrying every day since. And I gotta say, I like it a little bit better, and it, just like the other one, it has the ability to expand and is designed to hold a water bottle when you need it. And I'm not going to get into the kinds of things I carry. I have if you think I'm crazy about EDC, you should see my bag. It's like, anyway, if you want to see this is going to have to be for another video. I just kind of wanted to show you where I was at with this. So this is what I've been using, but having something in the middle is really cool. And what I know of this bag right here is that this works really well either with a strap or inside another bag or attached to the outside of the bag. So let's open this up first, and I'm pretty excited about it. So I just want to get right to this, the good part, and then we'll look at the other parts that came. Wow. So I don't know if you knew this, because I don't talk about it all that much. Wax canvas and leather. Very few things make me as happy as those two things. And this is really nice. In fact, I can't remember the last time I got something in wax canvas, but damn, that looks nice. And I know that this is actually just stuffed paper. I think I've seen this before. Now, I have avoided this type of bag in the past when I was doing my search for bags, because I didn't want to have to take off my bag to get something out of it. But what this bag does, which is really cool, is it has extra zippers, so you can move both. Basically your opening slot can be on either side, which is really, really neat. I'll show you that in just a second if I can, but okay, so here's the actual bag itself. Now it looks really nice on the outside, very clean, you know, that kind of thing. But what I love about Nutsac, what they're doing is on the outside, it's very plain. Very, very like elegant. It looks good. Like you could walk into an office with this no problem, right? But on the inside, they're really practical. And this MOLLE webbing is just such a useful thing. I mean, there's not much in here, just a full MOLLE panel and a pouch on the side here, as well as a zipper pouch out here. So it lets you basically customize it as you see fit. And you can use all of the various MOLLE gear and basically set it up any way you want. And this is another pouch by them as well. I'm sorry, this is going to be a really fast just first look since I'm seeing it also. Thanks for the stickers. Nice. And it, once again, MOLLE on the inside, only this time it's elastic. And are those actual? Yeah, they are. This will be a cool pouch. I'll have to play with that. And this actually comes with straps. All right, so we can kind of show that a little bit. So if I wanted to attach this, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm not ready to do it. But basically, you can have it set up where it's basically attached to the inside of the bag if you wanted to. So when you open it, you can just open the panel like so. All right, man, that's sweet. And I like the size of the zippers. A lot of times with bags, now I didn't notice any issues with the Grail bag, but sometimes zippers are really small, and these are nice and big, so they should hold up a little bit better. Awesome stuff from Nutsac. Sorry, this isn't a review of the bag. It's just kind of a first look, and that's awesome too. And then of course it has a strap, also in wax canvas. And the way this is set up is to be a couple different things. One, I actually think you could theoretically make it into a backpack, although I don't see the reason for doing that. But is you can take I like that you can take the strap off. I really, really do. So let's say I wanted to, so I guess it doesn't matter for now. Basically just clip it on right there. And there you go. So I definitely need to shrink that down. All right, there you go. And there's your shoulder bag. Now, what the big thing here, the reason I'm actually interested in trying this is you can essentially set the opening anywhere you want. So I can close this half, right? And so when I'm having it on my shoulder, I swing it around, I can open just this much on the side instead of opening it all the way and having everything fall out down here, right? I can set an opening anywhere I want and also have it, yeah, so it's three places to open it. That is super interesting. So it opens there, right? You can just do that, or you can just open a section. That's really cool. Just having that third little piece made all the difference. I guess the fourth piece, because these can be opened here. These can be opened here. It seems like a small thing, but that's actually makes this much more functional than the other sling bags that I've seen that open up, generally speaking, up top. I like that a lot. I'm really excited about this bag. That's why I don't really talk about it, because I get a little crazy with this, and I'm super particular, and this is, so far, I think going to be really nice. I'm already excited. Anyway, as part of this bag, I wanted to try a couple things, because it's actually designed mostly to be a fanny pack, but it's designed to go when you're going hiking and carries a water bottle here, as well as another water bottle right here, which is a really great design. Full review coming at some point. But during the day, like day to day, I'm not going to carry it like that. So what I decided to do is I got this from Alpaca Gear. So this can be a strap, a shoulder strap. Now it looks pretty big. I got the smaller one. It still looks really big. I don't know if this will actually work, but either way, I have other bags that I can use this with. But this is from Alpaca Gear. It works on a strap with Velcro and also has a little pouch built into it as well. That's really neat. And I guess I'll show you something from the inside of the bag. I got this as well because I think, oh, it's a little smaller than I thought, which won't be bad. Maybe we'll do it for something else. It probably won't work for the exact task that I was looking for. Where is the, there it is. So I have like a little mini repair kit, which is this. It has a bunch of different items in it. Some solder seals, shrink wrap tubing, glue, lighter, a stitching repair kit, and screwdriver. Yeah, and this is in like a waterproof zip pouch, but for easy access, I'm hoping it would fit in here, but this doesn't look like it's actually big enough for that. Really, what it is this is really a organizer wallet, is what this is. Because it's a lot. I thought it was going to be an extra inch here and maybe an extra inch here. Well, it's too small for this, but this might be cool nonetheless to use as a potential wallet organizer. So maybe a video on wallet organizers are coming soon, and this will certainly showcase in that as well. All right, well, that's kind of it. If you want to see the rest of this kit, now, and this is always a work in progress, which is why I partially don't like showing it, but if you want to see the rest, I'm willing to do that. So let me know down in the comments. Is this something that you're interested in? These are just some cheap, waterproof, dishwasher safe silicone Ziploc bags. These are sweet. Very cheap too. Anyway, goes in the bag. There we go. Boom. All right, so bag stuff. You like bag stuff? You want to see more bag stuff? I'm happy to oblige, but I warn you, I'm super particular about my bags, like really particular. And so I'm excited to show these to you one at a time at some point, but I'm also willing to start talking about bag contents as well. I'm obsessive about kits. I have lists and spreadsheets of what I have in my medical kit. I know I'm insane. I'm a little bit insane like that, but I feel like I have everything with me, and that makes me very happy. So if you're interested in that, maybe we'll talk about it in the future. But for now, thanks for tuning in for this really just spontaneous unboxing. Some really awesome gear that I'm looking forward to trying. And yeah, we'll talk again soon.